minding. Also asked, it was 2009, almost 13 years ago, that this agreement was reached by government. And I know it was about 1.3 trillion, out of which Jonathan's government paid 200 billion, remaining 1.1 trillion. Let's say that is the situation. The waste, the stealing, would have paid that since. With effortless ease. Look at our oil taps. At a time we critically need every single resources. We are the only country in the world that is not meeting our OPEC production. In July, we have 717 shortage daily. Multiplied by 31 days is 22,227,000 barrels. On the average pricing of oil in July, it is 110. So we lost $2.445 billion in 1 month. Even like you said about their rates, which I mentioned when I talk about rates. The official rate, which you said is not available, is 410. The real rate is 690. So if you put 690 and 5 and 410 is 1,100. Let's use the average, 550. If you multiply $2.445 billion with 550, it will give you 1,344,750 million naira. And we are still owing, and we cannot, and we are owing ASU 1.1 trillion. 1 month stealing. They can't continue. Why would government be borrowing money when somebody is here cutting away money? How?